Hi, I'm Mustang Jones. This is my 2005 Mustang GT. Today we're going to install this strut tower brace. It's made by Megan Racing. So the tools you'll need for this install are a 13mm deep socket with a ratchet, a 13mm Allen wrench, an adjustable wrench, and we're going to install it here. Just have to remove a tip for buying a strut tower brace for a Mustang GT is that, of course, you get one for Mustang GT, but if you plan on having an engine cover on a Mustang GT, you always get the strut tower brace for the V6 Mustang instead of the GT for extra clearance. Bolt these to the strut towers. And these are little bumper stops you use for glass, and I'll put those between strut tower brace and the cover so that they don't make direct contact. Thanks for watching the video. It's Mustang Jones.